Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making bread pizza. It is really simple. The things required are bread, pizza sauce, cheese, vegetables for the toppings, salt. First, you need to add the pizza sauce on the breads. Then add the vegetables like capsicum, tomato and onion. Then add salt as your taste. Now add the cheese. Preheat the oven for 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now put the pizza in the oven for 5 minutes. If you want, you can add the origami. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.